Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, wherever you're at around the world. Dave here, bringing you another daily video of the farm life after these messages. Good afternoon. Dave here. Here at the lake house, sitting down for a bit, getting away from the sun, from the hot sun, and being out there most of the day. Come into another evening or another day of the farm life. We are active in harvesting the watermelons right now. It's watermelon season. We've been able to bring in a good amount of watermelons per day. We're pretty much getting them inside the bins, doing the inspections that are required, and sealing them up on bins and putting them into the tractor trailers and take them away. Take them away to your hometown so that you can enjoy some Texas-grown watermelon. As I begin this segment, more than likely I'll probably end up taking the drone up and seeing the progress of the watermelon out in the fields. Hopefully, if I'm be able to capture something out there before the sun goes down. be able to do something nice. Again, as always around this time, I end up getting a text message from Edeline. Now, Edeline is from the Philippines. So, as of right now, it would be evening for me. It would be pretty much morning for her. She lives in the Leyte area of the Philippines. So, more than likely, it would probably be morning over there for her right now. We keep in contact and we interchange news, events that might be happening, things of that sort. I've got reports that saying that there's not going to be any more tourism in the Philippines until next year, and other reports I get directly from the embassy in Manila says that those rumors should change very quickly because the economy in the Philippines is pretty bad. And they want to make sure that they try to bring the economy back up. Now, the coronavirus is going away. It's rapidly going away. As a matter of fact, there's no reports here in the Travis County area. There's no reports of any deaths and no reports of anybody being found positive anymore. A lot of the tests that have been done daily has been negatively. She just sent me a message saying good morning. Well, over here it's good evening. So, hopefully things will change for the best. And when you get to work, when you get to work at a ranch all year long, you're entitled for some vacation time. And I'm not saying all year long is because it's all year long. 7 days out of the week, non-stop. The only time I ever get a day off is if I'm severely sick and maybe even in the hospital. If not, I'm here at work. I'm a dedicated worker. I love my job and I love what I do. And anyways,